they were using some heavy terms, and I was noting them. There is the second one.
Sanguine. Yes, sanguine.
Sanguine is
social.
Is very social.
Very social.
Very social.
yeah,
Yeah.
maybe shaking.
Yeah. Or ladies that at times you're just standing that far, but at times they come very close until you feel like, let me take a step behind so that I create a space.
Is it intentional?
Not very intentional. That is the nature commanding her. Yeah, that if I have to talk to somebody, like I've got my daughter who is 8 years old. I remember when she was 6 years old, anytime from she was 4 years, anytime I'm talking to her, she has to put her hands here so that my eye does not look at anything else, so that I listen to her directly.
Yeah, the reason why Bishop I wanted to clarity is because I have a pastor friend who is that kind of a man in nature.
Yeah.
Like he's a friend, he's a family friend. So whenever he's in my house or we are together and he's talking and my wife is there, I feel insecure.
Very well.
Yeah, because if he's talking, whether it is you close to him or his wife or your wife, he will even tap the thighs of your wife, maybe the shoulder. Look at this and that. You this guy up to something. So, those informations are very important.
Very important.
Thank you.
Very important.
You don't see him.
You can't.